EPBD 2024 represents the EU's building efficiency mandate, making energy-inefficient homes virtually unsellable by 2030. The Energy Performance of Buildings Directive establishes minimum energy efficiency standards for all European buildings. Italy's luxury market faces a unique challenge. Most properties were last renovated 15+ years ago or feature low energy ratings. Many listings deliberately omit the mandatory APE, Energy Performance Certificate, hiding poor efficiency ratings. Properties lacking A ratings will face mandatory costly renovations. Italian buildings are classified from A4, most efficient, down to G, least efficient. Current statistics reveal the crisis. 57% of Italian buildings fall into worst classes F and G, with 74.1% classified as E, F, or G, and only 8.1% achieving top classes A1 to A4. Europe's climate law demands strict energy standards for all homes by 2030, profoundly impacting Italy's real estate. This creates a new class of luxury homes meeting rigorous standards, yet awareness remains low among international buyers. Properties appearing as bargains are financial traps. Energy efficiency renovations typically cost €2,000 plus per square meter, often exceeding purchase prices. A 300 square meter villa requires €600,000 plus just for energy upgrades. Most Italian properties were renovated 15+ years ago, before current energy standards existed. These outdated renovations provide no protection against EPBD 2024 requirements, forcing new, expensive upgrades regardless of previous work. Even buyers planning seasonal use will suffer severe property depreciation. Class A homes currently hold values 25 to 45% higher than Class G properties, emphasizing the market shift toward energy efficiency. Energy efficiency renovations often surpass new construction complexity, lasting 2 years with constant oversight. Managing such projects demands local expertise and budgets that frequently spiral beyond estimates. The only viable strategy is purchasing properties already renovated to current Class A energy standards. These future-proof homes guarantee compliance with upcoming regulations and maintain investment value without additional costs. Complete energy renovations reach €1.5 million for larger villas, highlighting why buying pre-renovated properties makes financial sense. Recently renovated homes offer negligible maintenance costs and superior comfort. With gas boiler incentives ending in 2025 and fossil fuel bans by 2040, urgency intensifies. Properties not meeting Class A standards face inevitable forced renovations at owner expense. Properties below Energy Class A face inevitable depreciation and mandatory expensive upgrades. Smart investors exclusively target A4 or NZEB, nearly zero energy building, rated homes, guaranteeing regulatory compliance. Beware of listings without visible APE certificates, Italy's mandatory energy performance certificate, or those showing low energy ratings from renovations completed over 15 years ago. These represent financial traps. Verify all claimed renovations occurred within recent years and meet current energy standards. Demand to see updated APE certificates before any purchase decision, as many sellers hide poor ratings. Italy remains a dream destination offering culture, landscapes, hospitality, and cuisine. However, successful investment requires focusing exclusively on recently renovated, energy-efficient properties meeting future requirements and avoiding the renovation trap.